Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A couple of days ago, I made a video on hyperlinks that would take you to the website if you use something for a PDF. And I did it my way and the only way I knew how to do it. And then one of my longtime subscribers that's been very helpful through the years and actually given me a lot of tips and corrections and he's graciously learned some things too. If you take, let's say this is my logo. I used this the other day and I just picked it out. Hold down the Shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. Then you have a rectangle around that. That's in the center of the page, so I can nudge it out of the way. In older versions, I just misspelled Windows, but that's fine. Windows dockers links and bookmarks. In newer versions, Windows dockers links and rollovers. So we're going to pick this rectangle. We're going to go to Windows dockers, and I didn't even know this was here. Let me see if I can still find it. Links and rollovers. And it's going to come up with this box and you're going to type link right here. And I've already got my website embedded into this, but you could type in any website and it does that. Now that looks pretty weird, but if we hit P and put it in the center of the page, and then we take this away, and I think even if we take away the outline, now everything else is on the page is gone. I'm going to hit F4 just to verify that. Now we're going to go to File, Export, and we're going to export it as a PDF, and I'm going to call this link 4. PDF, export. Don't have to worry about any of this. Current document, just say okay. So now I've got it saved. I'm going to go to my email and I am going to email that to me. I'm going to go to link 4 and put it in here. I'm going to email it to my email. I don't understand that. There we go. And I'm just going to write link 4. So I'm emailing it to myself. It'll be here in just a second. There it is right there, link 4. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to download the link 4. I'm going to open it, and this is the way you would have it on a PDF. And if you look right there, when I get off of it, no matter, when I get in that square, see the little thumb? And then look right down here. When I cross over it, it gives me my website. And all I have to do is double click on it and it brings up my website. So I very graciously thank that viewer, subscriber, and I truly hope that helped the person I was trying to help tremendously, which I think it will. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.